Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Starline i96, which is our pro version. We're a bit paranoid now, so we've done a bit of multi-blocking. So the way this system works is you're able to start the vehicle, but as soon as you select a gear, the vehicle will switch off without going through an authorization, i.e. push sequence or phone. So let's just start the vehicle now. See, vehicle started. If I go and select a gear now, there you go, vehicle's cut out, okay? So now, every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, I mean, obviously because we've done an immobilisation test, ideally, main ignition on, go through a push sequence. On here we've done something very basic, so 1, 2, 3, receive our melody, there you go, start the vehicle. No error codes, quite straightforward, very clean. Now, so if the customer normally gets in, he would start the vehicle, go through his push sequence. Once he's passed authorization, he'll receive a melody and he can select gear. So let's just try that now. So foot on the brake, start the vehicle. Sorry, correction, it's still blocking because we went through a procedure where we were testing it. So basically, let's just turn the ignition on and just clear it. So let's disarm the system normally. So 1, 2, 3, receive our melody and let's start the vehicle. Okay. That's because we were doing a test and it was still holding a code in the system. This is if the customer makes a mistake, that's what would happen. So normally, customer would start the vehicle. There you go, vehicle started, no error codes. Push sequence, 1, 2, 3, receive our melody. There you go, select gear. And we can drive away, okay? If the customer wanted to change the code or take it for a service, this is very simple, but we're just going to show you a push sequence on how to change the code. So first of all, start button on, disarm the system. So you've passed authorization. Hear the melody, then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, key off. Should I say start button off, and then start back on. We just got 5 bleeps. So now I'm just going to change it to this one for now, but we can go there, wherever. But we're going to do this one. So 1, 2, 3. If you notice, there was a little melody in the back bleep telling us it's recognizing that button. Now we're waiting for confirmation. There you go. Receive confirmation. Repeat again. 1, 2, 3. Wait for confirmation. There you go. Receive confirmation. So ignition off. Give it about 10 seconds and we'll try the new code. Also, if you want to take it for a service, to put it into value mode, it's also very simple. So ignition on, go through your disarm, receive your melody, then hit one of the buttons on the network 11 times, key off, key on, 2 bleeps. That's in value mode. You can move it around. It won't jump out of value mode. When you get the vehicle back, ignition on, do your code and it will double bleep and it'll be out. So let's just start the car now and try the new code. There you go, the vehicle started. Try the new code, receive our melody, there you go, select gear. Really simple, really straightforward. Just put it into park, there you go, turn it off. So as I said, this is a multi-blocking. We've done digital and analog just to make it a little bit more secure. Our pro package, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. There you go.